Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connections. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 3. Logout and login. Logout from your PlayStation Network account. Go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Now wait for few minutes and then login back, then launch the game and check. Now if you have another secondary account, then login with that and check if that works or not. Fix 4 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to the restore license. Select the Outer Worlds 2 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 6. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5, but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Outer Worlds 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI type. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. But please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to the settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Choose the Outer Worlds 2 game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network, settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now relaunch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 10. Reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Outer Worlds 2 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by this way you can easily solve the Outer Worlds 2 game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.